expanded logistics. So I test launched or soft launched 2 new options here locally in Springtown. One of those is going to be curbside pickup. Right now we have, I think on our website, it's called Local Pickup Online. You place your order online and you come in and get it. I'm trying to transition that over into like a curbside option because I know I have a little girl at home, and getting her out of the car sometimes when she's in a bad mood and going in and picking up your order and then coming back out to the car, I definitely can understand the pain points in that.